Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to connect your HyperX headset with your Xbox, then this video is for you. So here is the instruction that you have to setting up and using the headset, what you should do. The first thing is power up. So power up your headset, so you can find the power up button. If it's wireless, then you can find the power button, make sure that it is turned off on. So in the HyperX headset, you can find that power button. So you have to turn it on through the power button. Then pairing the headset. So pairing the headset to an Xbox console. So first to connect your headset to an Xbox Series XLS or Xbox on console. Then be sure that both the headset and console are powered up. Press and hold the green power button on the headset, or if there's any look at ear cup, so for 4 seconds, or if there are any different types of button that actually help you to pairing, or that is functions for pairing to other devices, then you have to simply click on that button here. Then you will hear a repeated pairing tune, and the power light on the headset will start flashing. Now press the pair button, and on the console you can find the pair button here, just like this. In the console you can find the pair button here, and this is the same button you use to pair a wireless controller with your console. The power light on the console will start flashing just like this. Then when the headset and console connect with each other, power lights on the both device will stop flashing. Once the headset is paired with an Xbox console, turning on the headset will the HyperX headset will also pair up the console. So here is pairing the headset to Windows device or mobile device with Bluetooth, but it doesn't matter. So we are going to use the Xbox just because of it. So charging the headset, make sure that your HyperX headset is well charged through its charging port. Make sure that there is enough charge. If there's a low battery health, then you can find the red line blinking on your headset, or it's prompted something on your ear that the battery is low or something. Then the volume, make sure that you have adjusted the volume where you can find the ear cap right side on the right side of your headset. So you can forward it, you can rotating it the forward or clockwise or counterwise, so will increase the volume, or rotate backward or counterwise will increase the volume. And here is audio balance. You can set up the audio balance also. So that's pretty much all thing how you can actually use your HyperX headset with Xbox if it's wireless also. So thanks for watching, till next time.